What? What is this? What is that? What is this? That is literally how it was left in front of my door. Don't even know if I should open it or just... I mean, I already took a bunch of pictures for Amazon, but... Unbelievable. It's wet. The package is wet. It is completely ruined and destroyed. I've honestly never ever seen anything quite like this before. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you out there who buy their Funko Pops maybe online through, I don't know, maybe Toys R Us or Amazon. I'm sure you've seen something like this at least once in your life, but not to this extent. I would hope this was bought through Amazon. No doubt. I don't think it comes from their this isn't their warehouse stuff, but still, I mean, it is unbelievable. I'm sorry for all the shouting and the negativity, but this is just, I can hardly believe it. This feels like a joke. This feels like it's unreal. I was so excited to get this, and now it's like, wow. Alright guys, so thankfully this story does have a happy ending in the end. After about a week of going back and forth with the Amazon customer service, and like I said, this package definitely came from it came not from the Amazon warehouses, but from a specific seller, which I'm not gonna quote here, but as you can see right here on screen, this was the bottom line, which he said he was very sorry, and they ended up opening a case with the courier company, and all in all, bottom line is I was issued a refund and I get to keep the Funko Pop, which, so I'm still kind of a little annoyed by the whole thing, but honestly, bottom line, I'm pretty happy with the final result. I get to keep this amazing Chucky Funko Pop, which I thought, let's keep going with the unboxing. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like up close. Alright guys, so let's finally go through with the unboxing. Like I said, I'm pretty happy in the end with the results of I ended up getting to keep the Funko Pop and get a full refund for it. So I get the refund and I get the Funko Pop, So now I get to share this bad boy with you guys. Have you take a look at what it looks like? I'm just gonna it's so weird, like being meticulous with the box even though it's completely ruined. It's just, it's weird for me to like have a Funko Pop without its box, because I don't think I'll even keep it, honestly. At this point, it's just, I don't know, I might, we'll see. Well, one thing is certain, the Funko Pop itself is amazing. Like, it is really, really cool. It's this big, thick looking Chucky. Awesome. Yeah. Love it. Absolutely love it. I'll try to show it to you closer. But yeah, it's great. It's awesome. And those of you who know me, I am a huge Chucky fan. I've been very nostalgic for the franchise. Kind of grew up with it. It was one of my favorite as a kid. And if you look at my Funko Pop core collection here, the very first row here to the left is all Chucky, So you got everything from Child's Play 2. You got the movie poster art there, which is awesome. You got Chucky on a cart near the end when he's all messed up. It's awesome. The one I really hate though is number 56 here, because it just doesn't make sense. It says Child's Play 2, but then there's cars on him. It's just, I always hated this one. But you have the amazing Child's Play 3, which has the half of the face removed, which is really awesome. The bride, and of course Tiffany up there. So I love Chucky, and this bad boy right here is gonna make a fine addition to the collection. Definitely. I'll have to find a space for him, but although maybe that kind of works there. with the Simpsons Treehouse of Horror collection stuff. I'm kind of running out of space, to be honest, so I guess it'll do for now. Those of you that have been asking to see like a sort of a update on the collection, I've gotten a few more things since I've posted my initial video a while back, so I know you can't see it properly. It's very hard to, you know, with the reflections and everything, but this is sort of what it looks like now. I've gotten a few chase since then, like the Jack Torrance, which is very cool. I have the Pluto from Us. It's another chase. Demogorgon from Stranger Things. I'm not a huge Stranger Things fan, you know, I like it, but so I only got like 2. So anyways, pretty cool. Almost got the Tiffany, unfortunately, but I couldn't find it, you know, but anyways, that's kind of what it looks like. Oh, and then over here we've got the music stuff, you know, Metallica, Iron Maiden. Got that sweet Linkin Park big box there for the Hybrid Theory. It's amazing. Some Cyberpunk, you know, some Garfield, Dragon Ball. This is kind of where it some random stuff here, you know, but mostly the main horror collections. It's over here on the wall, and you know, like I said, I am running out of space, so yeah, awesome. So bottom line, very happy with the result. It looks sick, it looks amazing, and you know, even without a box, I'll definitely always love it, so it's awesome. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to be it for me. I'll see you guys in another unboxing or anything horror related video. Take care guys, and as always, peace.